It's not to bake, but to make is the Nutella cheesecake. It's not a baked cake, but it's my favorite cake.
But you know, I actually kind of prefer frozen cheesecakes to baked ones. It's such an unpopular opinion, right?
Over here, people don't understand it. They don't like it.
Yeah.
But I love frozen cheesecakes, especially in the heat. They're
they're
the
so
best
refreshing.
thing
They're so light
to eat.
Baked cheesecake so much heavier. Okay. Also, how did you get started?
So I've always baked since I was a child. My mom used to bake, and then I worked for 4 years.
What did you do?
I mostly worked in marketing and advertising at various ad agencies. And then at some point it got too much and I got sick of it.
So
and
I decided it was like a therapeutic thing you did.
It was something I always wanted to do eventually in life. I think I just started it sooner than I had anticipated.